How to track call and check call analysis in VOS3000. Click on Operation Management and select Current Call and click on Filter. This will show you current calls being connected. Now go to System and select Call Track. Now, adjust the trace length and file size limit and click OK. Every time you click on Filter, System will refresh and show you any new call in process. Here you can see a new call which is in process is added. Now, select callee number and click on Call Analysis. This will display every single detail of your call, which gateway is used, from which IP call is coming, and to which IP it is going. And if there's any error, it will be displayed here. You can see after filtering the caller, 4197445686234 is disconnected. Now let's check this call again. You can see the error 480 temporarily unavailable.